Hey folks, so this is kind of part of a series of videos giving you some real quick overviews of how to kind of use Microsoft Teams in the best way possible with your class. For this next one, this one's going to be all about channels in Teams. So I'm actually going to switch out of the Office 365 app version on the web and go down to the app. If you don't know how to download the app, you just go to Get App right here, and then you will just double click once it's finished downloading. So I'm going to go to the app, and basically your channels are meant to help organize your conversations in your classroom. So for the help desk, we have, every team has a general channel, which is kind of just an overview channel where you'll see like things where students are added and that kind of stuff. It's a bit of a narrative about the team. And then you want to think about, what are the different channels you could break down your team by. That could be by unit, it could be by um, discussion topics. For the help desk, we have these teams. So we have our group projects or individual learning endeavor projects, and then hardware issues, questions for the teachers, and then software issues. And so students in the help desk, whether it's at Bellingham, C-Home, or Squalicum, go in here and kind of sort so that they're having an issue with hardware, they can't figure it out, and they need some help from other students. They can post their question there, and other students can respond. To add or remove channels and manage them, all you have to do is go to the ellipses up here under the team and go down to Manage Team. And then there's a little button here with channels, and it will give you an overview of different channels, and you can favorite different ones or hide different channels depending on if you use them very often.